247 failed login attempts, all from the same IP, all posting to /login.php, all returning 401, and then one entry, 200 status, 223 milliseconds, 8,943 bytes. The 248th attempt succeeded. Welcome to web server log analysis, where attack patterns hide in plain sight inside billions of lines of access log entries, and the CHFI who knows what to grep for finds them in seconds. Apache Combined Log Format, the most common web server log format. Field order, memorize cold. 1. Client IP, %H. 2. Ident, %L, almost always a dash. 3. Auth-user, %U, authenticated username or dash if not authenticated. 4. Timestamp, %T, format, bracket day /month /year :hour minute second plus time zone. 5. Request, the first line of the HTTP request. A method, URI protocol. 6. Status code, %S, the HTTP response. 7. Bytes, %B, response body size. 8. Referrer, the URL that linked to this request. 9. User agent, the client identification string, then IIS log format adds, S-IP for server IP, CC-URI stem, and CS-URI query split. Time taken in milliseconds. An Nginx format is similar to Apache with shell-style variable names. HTTP status codes. 5 categories. 1XX, informational. 2XX, success. 200 OK, 201 created. 3XX, redirection. 301 moved permanently. 302 temporary. 4XX, client error. 400 bad request. 401 unauthorized. 403 forbidden. 404 not found. 5XX, server error. 500 internal server error. 503 service unavailable. Forensically significant codes. 200, request succeeded. Successful exploitation often shows 200s. 301 and 302, phishing redirects, malvertising chains. 401, authentication required. Many of these followed by a single 200 equals successful brute force. 403, access denied. Directory traversal blocked. 404, file not found. Scanner enumeration. 500, internal server error. May indicate successful injection causing application crash. 503, service unavailable. DDoS impact. Resource exhaustion. Pattern recognition starts with status codes. Anomalies in distribution are your first signal to attack patterns. Directory traversal. Attempts to escape the web root using // sequences. Examples in logs. Get/download.php question file equals .. etc. /pass.od or URL-encoded. %2e, %2e, %2f, which is .. grep detection, grep /access.log, grep %2e, %2e, %2f access.log, URL-encoded version, then brute force. Repeated 401s or 403s from the same IP. Detect multiple 401s from same IP with awk. Detect rapid requests over 100 in 1 minute from the same IP. Pattern example. The same IP POSTs to login.php over and over, all returning 401 with sub-second intervals until one entry returns 200 with a larger response size. The final 200 equals successful login after brute force. This is the exam favorite log pattern. Scanner signatures. Known tool, user agents. Nikto user agent contains Nikto/version. sqlmap user agent contains sqlmap/version. Nessus, Mozilla /4.0, compatible Nessus Unix. Acunetix, Mozilla, compatible Acunetix. Burp suite, often Python requests are custom. Look for scanner patterns. Curl /version, may be legitimate. Python requests, may be scripted attack, grep detection. grep-ie, Nikto pipe, SQLmap pipe, Nessus pipe, Acunetix pipe, mascan pipe, grep pipe, nuclei access.log. Find unusual or empty user agents, grep quote, dash quote, space quote, access.log. Empty user agent is often automated scripting, and the CHFI exam specifically names Nikto 2.1.6 and SQLmap version 1 as identifiable signatures. Memorize the tool names, recognize them in logs. SQL injection patterns in web logs. Example: log entries get/products.php question ID equals 1 quote plus OR plus quote 1 quote equals quote 1. Get/search.php question Q equals union plus select plus null comma username comma password plus from plus users dash dash. Get/page.php question ID equals 1 semicolon drop plus table plus users dash dash. Grep detection grep-ie union pipe select pipe insert pipe drop pipe delete pipe update pipe exec pipe xp underscore cmd shell access dot log grep-ia %27 pipe quote pipe 1 equals 1 pipe or 1 pipe and 1 access.log grep-ie sleep parent pipe wait for delay pipe benchmark parent access.log time-based SQLi. Also command injection, characters semicolon, pipe, backtick, ampersand, and XSS, less than script, %3c script, JavaScript, on error equals, on load equals, and URL encoding versions of all of them. %3c is less than, %27 is single, quote, %3b is semicolon, decode and grep both clear and encoded. Log correlation across systems. A web request never tells the whole story. Combined sources. Web server access log, HTTP request, status codes, user agents, web server error log, PHP or ASP errors, may reveal exploitation success. Path disclosure, application log, application specific events, login success and failure. DB queries, database query log, actual SQL queries executed. OS authentication log, OS level logins post-exploitation, firewall log, outbound connections, reverse shells, data exfiltration, IDS and IPS alerts, rule matches that corroborate the attack, error log analysis, Apache @ /var/log/ Apache2/error.log, grep PHP warning for path disclosure, grep permission denied for access control being tested, grep file does not exist for file enumeration. Grep syntax error for injection causing PHP errors. Path disclosure example, PHP warning include path equals /var/ww/html/dot/etc/password failed to open stream. The error log leaks the path the attacker is probing. Log rotation and tampering. Most web servers rotate logs daily or when they hit a size threshold. Apache uses log rotate, rotated logs compressed as .gz IIS. New log file daily. Format ex year month day.log. Forensic consideration. Relevant logs may span multiple rotated files. Search all of them. Log tampering detection. 7 indicators. Sudden time. Gaps. Sequential entries jump from 1023 to 1455. Entries deleted. Log file. Size unexpectedly small. Attacker deleted or truncated. Missing entries for known events. Password reset. File access not in logs. File modification timestamp does not match expected rotation time. Inode change time changed recently, but mtime suggests older data. Inconsistent sequence numbers. IIS log, entries numbered sequentially. Gaps indicate deletion. Remote log copies, syslog server, seam. Originals may be tampered, remote copies often intact. Always compare local logs to syslog server copies. Discrepancies are evidence of tampering. Web server log analysis fundamentals. Combined log format, 9 fields in order, memorize cold. Status codes, 401 floods, then a 200 equals brute force success. 500 after injection equals successful exploitation causing application error. Directory traversal // or URL encoded %, 2e%, 2e%, 2f, scanner user agents, Nikto, SQLmap, Nessus, Acunetix, SQL injection, union. Select in parameters, time-based with sleep. Correlate access log with error log, app log, DB log, firewall log. Watch for tampering, time gaps, inode mismatches, missing known events. Next up, Objective 10.2, Web Application Attack Investigation. We go deeper into SQLi, XSS, CSRF, file upload attacks, and web shell detection. The grep one-liner that finds the backdoor is in the next video.